just a good old boy who loves burning rubber and driving fast.
Race day morning, 10:20 a.m. We are fourth pair out, racing Kyle Wurtzel. And the weather is making moves quickly. And again, massive, quick crash to change the head gasket. Let's go. This is exciting. This will be a quick thrash. We've got to be in the staging lanes in just a matter of minutes here.
Yep. We'll get it.
Oh, I know. I'm just sitting here bragging on y'all. So this is what it is. I didn't give you a time on that one, but we are sitting on the ground ready to go. Again, fourth pair out, racing Kyle Wurtzel. Head gasket change, whatever, 15, 20 minutes. Boom. Race ready.
Salinas was number one. And TJ.
top end. Let's take a look at the Mission instant replay. Wurtzel on right side of the screen. Oh, yeah, there is a cylinder out, definitely on Clay's car. I have a feeling Jimmo at the starting line just hit the switch. For those of you who may not be aware, the crew chiefs can shut the car off from the starting line. If they see something, they've got a little basically remote control box.
Yeah, I guess you hit the button, did you? I seen him out there for a little while, so I wasn't sure, but the wind light come on, that's all that matters. Tempo. Wind light's what matters, brother.
All right, most important thing you see right there is 402 and only 240, whatever. Wind light. I could see Kyle out there for a little while. I kind of took him a little lightly, to be honest, and I could see his nose. I don't know what happened to him, but all I know is our wind light come on. That's all that matters. The lanes are very tricky. I probably was a little too worried about getting shallow to make sure we got lane choice, and as it turns out, we probably don't have lane choice anyway. But round one win is what we were looking for, and we got it, right?
Right.
So right there is your live feed camera on Lee Milliken Hubbard YouTube.
Go check it out.
Go check it out. Well, by the time you see this, it won't be live feed anymore because we will be on the way home. But what we've done over here is a scheduled engine change, which all that means is the crankshaft has made as many runs as it needs to make. So they changed the short block. The short block sitting right there. As you can see, it is all back together, ready to go. And we are racing Steve Torrance next round. Him and Billy raced first round, pretty good race, but we got Steve, we don't have lane choice. Had a hole out, got the win. Jesse hit the button on me after he knew we secured the win. Because if y'all watched long enough, driving this thing all the way to the finish line with a cylinder out does not make it happy. Even though we were changing the motor, you still don't want to throw the rods out. So, Stevie, coming up next. Okay, folks, rolling up, Steve Torrance. We are first pair out, and I will bet you money we're going to be in the left lane. That's my guess. But we got to deal with the track we got, and we'll see what happens. I'll flip you for lane choice.
I don't even get a say. They just tell me to get in the car and sit down and don't do anything dumb.
Well, I've had that issue.
I know you have too. We have both had that issue.
All right, we're going to turn this off because we're fixing to tell each other we love each other until we put our helmets on.
Exactly. You're my best friend until that helmet gets on.
Under the tower, Stevie's sitting over there beside us. We're going to race the champ. It's Texas versus Tennessee, and I'm a ball fan.
Hold up. Let off the pedal. All right, here we go.
What a great way to start round 2. What a great way to start round 2. 385, Steve Torrence. 325 miles an hour. Clay goes 389 at 312 miles an hour. Clay got off the starting line first. Looking at the numbers as they headed down the racetrack, look at the numbers on the screen at 330 feet. They're within a couple of thou of each other. Steve Torrence at 325 miles an hour was able to get the nose out in front. 12 thousandths at the finish line stripe. 3.854 beats 3.894. Factor in the reaction time. 12 thou, and Steve Torrence is going on from the number 7 qualifying spot.
What you got, baby? I saw the hole out, but I didn't know what else to do but stay on that loud pedal, brother.
The old 51 car.
Oh,
We left first, 60 foot first, and then from there on we were in trouble. 389, 312 to Stevie's 85, 325.
Hole out again. We were in the crap lane, but Jimmo and Nikki and all the boys made this thing go down the racetrack. Hey, it's drag racing. We are off to the next one. I don't even know where it is, but we're ready for it, wherever it is. I honestly don't know. Golly, drag racing's hard.
Man, look at that fancy motorhome right there. Of course, y'all know my motorhome and the dog habitat.
We are obviously done for the day. You just finished watching, what can I say? Steve-O's, whatever he is, 3, 4, 5, however many time champ. He is the champ for a reason. Basically 1.7 seconds into the run, we got the tires loose. It happens. Track was really tricky, and who's to say if it stayed on 8, it would have maintained traction? I don't know, but I do know this. Slowly but surely, we're coming. And this is not as good as the 4 wide where we were runner-up, but I haven't really looked at the points. I don't study the points till it gets further into the year, but you always kind of got a feeling for how you're doing because you know if you suck or not, basically. So I do know that we have moved from 12th up to 7th because Jimmo told me that. So anyway, our next race is Epping, New Hampshire, but we got some cool content coming in between. I've got one filmed, not edited, but filmed and basically ready to go that I cannot wait to get it posted. And that'll be probably sometime this week. And then end of the week, I am headed to Charlotte for Rick Ware Racing Open House, which will be at RFK. We're taking the Top Fuel car there, going to start it up a couple times. And before I go, I've been doing it. I've been on it, these videos. Don't forget merchandise over at claymillican.com. Tom Bailey, I love him. He's the one that handles that. When y'all order, it actually takes you to Sick the Magazine to place those orders. So please go do that, and remember that we give that money to animal rescue. And I saw a comment, I don't know which video the last 2 days or whatever, that someone said they don't give to any kind of charity stuff because they don't know where the money goes. Well, trust me, the money that is actually Donna's, not me, the money that is given, Donna does not give it to any organization where she cannot basically kind of keep track of where the money's going. Not just our money, but just basically what the organization does. And she does spread it out, you know, I don't know how she does it, to be honest with you, but I know she doesn't just give it to national places where we know things have happened. We've seen it in the news. Anyway, I am 100% rambling. I'm still jacked up and wound up from the race weekend. You guys are freaking awesome. We're getting so close to that 100,000. That's so cool. Appreciate you guys watching, like, and subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.
We are on a family adventure. We got both pups, got the sisters. We're just out cruising Chicagoland Speedway. See what we see over here. Millie done spotted something, I don't know what. Happy dog. Where are we going, Millie?
There's the IKEA back there.
Yeah, it's a warehouse.
Big one.
Y'all didn't pass that on the way in?
So we are riding around. We haven't done anything wrong. Found asphalt road.
I did not open that gate, but we want to go check out.
I did this. If y'all watched my video last year, I've been over here. The girls Holy moly. Y'all are not going to believe what I'm seeing right now.
Look at that. Wow. Holy moly at the Ford vehicles parked out there. Wow, we gotta check this out. Try to get where I can get y'all a better view. First of all, how big and beautiful this place is. Wow, I hope through this fence y'all can see. Look at all the Fords. All brand new Fords, I'm assuming. Look at that. I'm assuming they are all there due to chip shortage. Kind of crazy. It actually looks pretty nice. All of the vehicles are gone.
Oh, so that's where
They were everywhere. So last year, this entire thing was filled with brand new Fords. They must have got chips for them. That's why we assumed they were here.
Man, this is a massive freaking place to be shut down. Wow. The garage, everything looks good actually.